Real quick before we get into the 5-star potato, if you like the history of Vegas at all, check out my newest channel, Vegas Buzz. It's on YouTube, loaded with stories about the mob, the pioneers, everything history with Las Vegas. Check it out. The potato. It's a wonderful thing. But did you ever wonder why when you bake a potato at home, it never tastes like that high-end steakhouse or that restaurant on the strip? Well, I'm going to show you the secret to how to make restaurant quality, high-end restaurant quality baked potatoes so good you'll eat the whole thing. Coming up next on Buzz Cooks.
I walked into that steakhouse feeling kinda low, waiting on a T-bone, moving kinda slow. But then she rolled on in, dressed in foil and steam, with a golden crisp jacket, the star of my dream. She's a 5-star baked potato, dressed in chives and cream, loaded up with cheddar like a dairy-loving dream. Don't need no filet mignon, no truffle or tomato, just give me a fork and time.
The baked potato song, you like that? I'll have it at the end of the video. You can listen to the whole thing. It's pretty cool. Alright, so what we're going to do is make sure we get our russet potatoes, good size. Make sure you wash them real good. Then we're going to get a big bowl. We're going to add 4 cups of warm water and a whole bunch of salt. And we'll whisk it in there to make sure the salt dissolves. And once the salt is dissolved, we're going to take our potatoes and we're just going to give them a quick little bath in there. Spin them around a little bit. Make sure they get a little bit of salty water on them. Then we'll put them on a rack. Do the other one. And once we get this one on the rack, we're just going to get a nice little sharp knife. Poke a couple holes in each one. And these babies are going in the oven at 450 degrees for about 40-45 minutes. Or until you hit an internal temperature of 205. Now, once you get that temp, we're going to pull them out. And we're going to get some neutral oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, and we're just going to paint them with the oil to make sure that skin is coated all over with that oil. This is going to give you that amazing crispy skin. So we'll get them, roll them over. Yeah, you don't want to use your hand to roll them over because they're smoking hot right now. They're just gonna either get some tongs or do what I'm doing there and use the brush to move it about. So once we get these coated, we're gonna pop them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, so we're going to readjust these onto the rack. And like I said, we're going to pop these back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And once they're done, we'll get them on the cutting board. Now, when you go to slice these, you go 2, almost like a side-by-side X. Not too wide, but like a tight X on top. Then get yourself some paper towels and gently push forwards, and you're gonna get that perfect baked potato like you see at the restaurant. It's gonna pop right open. Now it's ready to load up. Look at the steam coming out of that sucker, it's smoking hot. So we're going 2 pads of butter. Then we're gonna come back with some shredded cheddar cheese and sour cream. Oh, I'm sorry, bacon, then sour cream, then bacon again, and then our chives. And I'm telling you, you have restaurant quality, delicious baked potato. Never use foil. That just steams it and makes it soggy. If you like soggy skin, then use foil. If you got crispy skin, like in these gourmet restaurants, do it this way. It is perfect. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Remember, every Wednesday and Sunday, a new video. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the 5-star baked potato and the song coming up. I think you'll like it. All right, we'll see you on the next one.
I walked into that steakhouse feeling kinda low, waiting on a T-bone, moving kinda slow. But then she rolled on in, dressed in foil and steam, with a golden crisp jacket, the star of my dream. She's a 5-star baked potato, dressed in chives and cream, loaded up with cheddar like a dairy-loving dream. Don't need no filet mignon, no truffle or tomato. Just give me a fork and time alone with that baked potato. They brought her out on a platter, glistening like gold, butter melting slow like a love story told. Bacon bits like confetti, sour cream like snow. One bite in and baby, I knew I found my soul. She's a 5-star baked potato with her crispy skin, a mountain of a flavor from the outside in. Don't need no candlelight, don't need a fancy dado, just me and that hot 5-star baked potato. She's soft on the inside, tough on the skin. She'll stick to your ribs and she'll do it again. Michelin stars couldn't shine as bright as a spot in the moonlight on a Vegas night. I've tasted the world from Rome to Idaho, but nothing compares to that buttery glow. So when I'm feeling lost with no place to go, I head to the diner for that starch-based hero. I head to the diner for that starch-based hero.